Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you a technique. I think it's very fun and add texture to your card. I managed to heat the paper a little too much with a heat gun, but it will be okay because you can hide the mistakes. I will show you how I make the pattern. Here I have a few more strips, but I will show you how I do it, and you can decide how wide square you want. But it's Faux tile technique, it's called. I think it looked like a backsplash in the kitchen because it's shiny from the embossing powder that you heat up with a heat gun. You use clear embossing powder. I use this one because then you get the shiny surface on there, you can see. But you do this up and under, up, and the next one is over, under, over, and then you press so there is no big gaps. It's a little fiddly, but something like this. And then after you are happy with the pleating, or what you can call it, you turn it back and fold the strips that are left, and do like so. And so, and this, and then you glue them together to make it hold a little better. But I thought I would show you how to do the folding anyway. And then like this, and yeah, I think you get the message. But if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment, and I will try and answer them for you. Then you take the embossing stamp pad, the clear one, and press on the squares on the surface. It's a little fiddly now, and I just will show you how I do it. Then you put it on the paper, just so you can collect the powder after. Like this. Oops. Let me take that. And then the heat gun. Sorry for the sound. Like this. Now it's not that shiny because you need to do at least 2 more times with the pad at first, and then more powder, and then heat with the heat gun again, and then for the third time you do the same. And if you're happy with the shine, then it's enough. But I think I was happy with the fourth time. So it's up to you how many times you will do it. But that's my technique for today. Now I have prepared the card base a little. I took a piece of cardstock that measure 6 by 12 and scored it in half. And I usually do top folding because I love how it stands. And then I took the gray paper is 5 3/4 inches, and the pattern paper is 5 1/2 inches squared. And the faux tiling I showed you, I prepared it with tape on the back, and there you can see how I fold back the strips that were left when I was finished with the size I wanted. And I'm not sure, but I think I will have it straight. And now for the fun part, to decorate. I cut out flowers from one of the papers from Enchanted Jungle. I love those patterns there is in this paper pack. It's from Craft Consortium, and Lindsay Kelly have illustrated this. Let's see how I will put the flowers on. I want 3 there and three on the opposite side. Thankfully the corners opposite of each other were there the heat gun burned, so lucky mistake, I guess. Something like this. And then I think I will have a sentiment in the middle. Some pearls will be very beautiful too. There is the finished card. I just have to put the sentiment when I know who will get this. I put the flowers under this one just with glue, and then foam tape under this one to make it a little more up. And for those I just used glue on the top one and foam tape on this one, just to make it more interesting, I guess. And yeah, it was this technique I wanted to show you today. Take care. To the next time. See you. Thanks.